XRP shows a potential 1.1% increase by April 16, according to coin price forecast. To start, here's how the movement looks at this stage. Right now, XRP is showing a decline of 0.7% and is trading around $1.3555. Now, let's hear from the analyst's side. According to coin price forecast, we might see $1.37 by April 16, about 1.1% higher than now. CoinLore puts the target for XRP at $1.36, about 0.3% above current value. Digital Coin Price points out it could test the $1.3523 level lower, a downward move of 0.2%. Another prediction from 30 Rates puts the target for XRP at $1.3485 on the downside, approximately 0.5% lower. Finally, Gulf Capital Collector expects a slide to $1.3396 by April 16. That's 1.2% under current price. This is the best return scenario. That's all 5 opinions on tomorrow. Let's see what's next. With all 5 predictions in mind, let's look at the numbers. The combined projections suggest the price could range from a drop of 1.2% to a rise of 1.1%, depending on the analyst. Put simply, Gulf Capital Collector projects the highest return with 1.2% gain in value by April 16. Based on these results, you could generate between $2 and $12 for every $1,000 you invest. When we talk about probability, Digital Coin Price tops the list with an 83.9% chance of success. From the complete set of 5 forecasts, I've created a shared projection. The consensus forecast shows XRP holding steady around $1.3541. Let's break it down step by step. Consensus figures point to a 0.1% reduction in price. To summarize clearly, your capital might also go up by around 0.1% if the trend follows through. If you had $1,000 invested, the scenario could point to $1 in return. And in this scenario, the consensus forecast is given a likelihood of about 84.6%. Before we continue, let's see how analysts expect the price to move in the next 3 days. The view from Coin Price Forecast is bullish for the short term. Also, CoinLore suggests upward pressure will persist. Digital Coin Price anticipates downward movement in the near term. 30 Rates highlights that XRP is on an upward path. Gulf Capital Collector expects XRP to fall. The consensus forecast presents XRP on a declining path in the near term. So overall, most analysts expect XRP to move in an upward direction. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts went live. Now it's time for a quick review. In the end, the daily session finished at $1.3616. 3 out of 5 analysts predicted the right side of the move. Closest match to the market came from Gulf Capital Collector. Let's go through it. The market close proved that only 1 out of 5 was inside the candle. For our ROI, part of the group finished in profit, the strongest outcome at 2.2%. And here's the verification table. Every result checked and lined up for you. Crypto Predictions' forecast probability stood at 18%, with $0.0584 accuracy and 2.2% ROI. Try to notice which predictions aged best once the day was over. Let's move on and see how the consensus-based returns for tomorrow line up between XRP and others. XRP is outperformed this time because AVE holds the leading spot with 2% potential profitability. This comparison covers a small sample of 5 coins, and the extended return analysis across many cryptocurrencies will also be added to my website and Telegram. Before you go, like and subscribe so you can stay informed effortlessly while I handle the analysis part. Have a nice one. See you tomorrow.